Great flood of '06. Whoa, it's big. They say it's like 30 feet above normal right now. They're probably right. We're probably like 50 feet off the river bottom right now. Look at that undertow. That's a hell of an undertow.